what time it is, how's weather today, show power status, show internet connection status, show internet connection status. Please check my Twitter method. So now if I click on this button, then it will post a tweet on behalf of me on my Twitter account. So let's check it out. Click on OK to send your message on Twitter. Okay. So now it should post a tweet on Twitter on behalf of mine. Just refresh it, and yes, it's done. This is a second automatic generated tweet from my bot, and should be the same as this is a second automatic generated tweet from my bot, and both are the same. It's okay. Show start menu, close start menu, show start menu, show start menu, close start menu. Oh, it's not working. Show start menu, show start menu, show start menu. As we have to press the same key for popping up our start window and for popping down our start window, so it's working the same way. Open my computer, close this. Okay, show internet connection status, show internet connection status. Okay, show power status. Okay, show my battery level. Okay, close now. Close now. Okay, close now. So the command was okay, close now, not close now. Yes, it is okay, close now, and I was saying close now, close now. Okay, fine. So this was a small demonstration about my project called Virtual Private Assistant, and I made it in C#. I started this around 6 months ago as my personal project, and now at this moment I have completed around 30 to 40%, and there is much more to do with it. So but now from now I want to start a new video series on this on my channel, so I can upload tutorials for you guys, so you can make your own virtual private assistant by just following me. So if you want to make your own virtual private assistant, then you can follow me with my tutorial series. So from the next video I will upload one by one tutorials from the scratch, and in that tutorials we will make exact same thing from the scratch in C#, and we will learn some kind of algorithm, some kind of AI, machine learning maybe, and in future we may use deep neural networks for speech recognition and for command following. Now I did not use any kind of deep neural network, but I used a little bit of artificial intelligence, and that is algorithm which is completely made by me. And according to that algorithm, we can use more than one speech recognition engine to give it a human-like behavior, like we human do. When we are talking to a person, then we can only concentrate, or we can only focus on only that person. So suppose if you are talking to a person, and then suddenly another person come to us and then give us a different command, which may completely different from the command which we were getting from the other person, the first person. So suppose okay, fine. Suppose here is a one person, and this is our software, which is named Zero. So now this person, now suppose this person is giving some kind of command or instruction to us, and now we are listening to this person. So suppose this person was giving some kind of instruction to us, and we were listening to him. So now suddenly a second person come from here, and this person has not completed his thought yet, but at the same moment this person started to giving some kind of another instruction to us. So it is very obvious, then we will definitely get confused and get disturbed, because till now we haven't completed the task from this person, and at the same moment this person is started to give us some kind of different task to do. So this kind of scenario called interrupting our software. So as we human do, so what is a human-like behavior? According to a human-like behavior, what we humans do, in the very first step, we will listen to this person. We will listen to this person first. We have to complete the task which is given by this person first. Then we should come to this person and now say this, and now say, okay, yes, now I'm free to do your work. So now give me your commands again. So this is what we humans do, and as we are talking about a virtual private assistant, so this kind of assistant or this kind of software should do the same. It should not get interrupted by someone else when it is listening the commands of someone else. So this kind of behavior or this kind of coding is called some kind of AI, artificial intelligence. So I have implemented it. I have used two speech engines. Usually the people use only one speech engine in this kind of softwares, but in mine I have two speech engine. The one speech engine is called main. So we will discuss more about it in the next tutorials from the next episode.